What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best car wax for shine on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Car Guys Liquid Wax. Only apply 1 to 2 times a year. Are you tired of using products that look great but don't last? You won't experience that here. Our advanced proprietary polymer additives boost our products' protection and durability. It's like giving steroids to our products. Stop using inferior sealants, car waxes, and polishes made with old science and technology. This will outlast and outshine them all. Super easy to apply and buff, no professional needed. See why all our customers rave at how it's so simple to use. We made it easier to apply and wipe off compared to all others on the market. This will be the quickest and easiest proper wax job that you will ever do. No more getting an arm workout trying to remove your wax. Super slick mirror shine. Most products nowadays will make your vehicle look pretty good. Our product will bring the gloss up to another level. Exceed your expectations with incredible crystal clear reflections. Surfaces become super slick and will continue to bead for months. You will be amazed at how unbelievably sleek and reflective your vehicle will look. Finally, get that new showroom shine that will make all the neighbors jealous. Why choose Car Guys? We care about quality. Our products are made with the latest advancements in science using the best equipment available. This helps us make consistently high quality products that always work great. Every formula we make is mixed and bottled in the USA by hard-working Americans. Real customer support. The Car Guys team actually cares about customer satisfaction. If you ever have any concerns, let us know, and a person from our team will do everything in our power to make it right. In our list, the number 4 product name is Car Gods Black Carnauba Wax Polish. Brings forth an easy way to restore, polish, and wax your black car all in one easy application. Erebus advanced polymers, pigmented resins, and wax technology provide an effortless way to remove surface blemishes, imperfections, and oxidation whilst adding a layer of protection even under extreme conditions. Only suitable for use on gloss black automotive paintwork finishes. 3 in 1. Diamond Black Wax restores pigments and protects vehicle paintwork. Bring back color. The formula contains tiny black pigments that help improve the look and color of all shades of black paintwork. Protective layer. Contains Carnauba wax to leave a protective hydrophobic layer, helping keep your paintwork cleaner for longer. Fine cleaning. Fine cleaning minerals remove stubborn stains, such as oxidation, blemishes, and light scratches in the vehicle paintwork, giving you super smooth finish. Safe to use. Suitable for use on all types of black paintwork, including metallics, pearlescent, and acrylic paint types. In our list, the number 3 product name is Megias Ultimate Liquid Wax. Megias Ultimate Liquid Wax is a premium paint protectant with a pure synthetic wax blend for maximum performance. The improved formula now delivers even better durability than before. Megia's proprietary hydrophobic polymer technology increases surface tension, for relentless water-beading action that lasts. This advanced formula also delivers deep, dark reflections, incredible gloss and shine while leaving a slick finish. This finely tuned wax was formulated to check all the boxes without compromising ease of use. It goes on butter smooth and comes off just as nice even in the sun. Premium foam applicator and microfiber towel included. Ultimate is also available in a paste wax. Title draft language created by generative AI and reviewed, edited, and revised by Magyar's. Improved formula. Improved formula delivers a glossier finish, increased protection, and more water beading action in one easy step. Easy to use wax, easy spread on and wipe off application, even in full sun. Long lasting wax protection. Advanced pure synthetic formula delivers a long lasting protective barrier on paint while amplifying reflection for incredible depth, shine, and gloss. Relentless water beading. Hydrophobic polymer technology increases surface tension for relentless water beading, clear coat safe. Safe and effective on all glossy paints and clear coats. And can be applied by hand or dual action variable speed polisher like Magyar's TEM 300 dual action polisher. In our list, the number 2 product name is Chemical Guys Wet Shine for Cars. High shine formula formulated from a blend of natural carnauba, polymers, and resins. Butter wet wax delivers an unmatched surface shine and deep wet finish. Safe for all finishes. Butter wet wax can be applied to your car, boat, motorcycle, SUV, truck, or RV's paint, glass, and metal surfaces to clean, shine, and protect. You can even use butter wet wax on top of your ceramic coating for an extra layer of shine and protection. Not recommended for matte finishes. Just like we need sunscreen, your car needs protection too. The sun is one of the most harmful enemies of your vehicle's finish. Butter wet wax helps fight UV and UV rays to help extend the life of your paintwork. Not just for detailers, Chemical Guys products can be used by beginners and pros alike because our products are so easy to use. Just apply a few drops to an applicator, spread in a thin even coat and buff off any residue with a microfiber towel. See bottle for complete product and direction for use information. Trust Chemical Guys. Our company has been built with a passion for shine. We are passion-filled car enthusiasts who work every day to produce products that make things look better, smell better, and make people happy. Butter Wet Wax Liquid Cream Car Wax is proudly produced in Southern California. In our list, the number 1 product name is Magyar's Cleaner Wax. Magyar's Cleaner Wax Liquid is a versatile one-step past wax, specially formulated to produce dazzling results on all glossy paint finishes, including clear coats. This wax safely and effectively removes surface contaminants and blemishes that dull your finish, including fine scratches and swirl marks, and leaves an impressive high gloss shine. Rich conditioning oils with gentle cleaning ability make this an excellent choice for daily drivers exposed to the elements. Easier to use than traditional carnauba wax, it can be applied by hand or by DA polisher like Magyar's DEN 300 dual action polisher. For best results, apply Magyar's cleaner wax in the shade to a clean, cool surface. Apply a small amount of product onto a soft foam applicator pad and work in with light to moderate pressure in an overlapping, circular motion, leaving a thin, even coat. Apply more product to the pad as needed. Continue applying product in the same manner over the entire car. Once the wax has dried, remove with a clean, dry Magyar's Supreme Shine microfiber towel. Flip your towel to a clean portion for the final wipe. Please be aware that low temperatures and/or high humidity can prolong the initial curing time of the cleaner wax. One way to tell if this liquid wax is dry and ready to be wiped off is by performing a swipe test. Run an index finger across the wax, and if the wax smears, it's not ready to be wiped off. However, if it's a clear swipe, the wax is ready to be removed. Neglected finishes may require more application pressure and passes when working in. Not everyone has the time, ability, or even the desire sometimes to do a multi-step system on their car. Megia's Cleaner Wax Liquid is an excellent 3-in-1 formula that cleans, polishes, and protects your paint in one easy step. This carnauba-based formula safely and effectively cleans surface contaminants and light below surface defects like light oxidation, hairs, minor scratches and swirls, stains, etchings, and more. Polishing oils enhances gloss and shine, while wax protection creates a sacrificial barrier between your paint and the environment. This 3-in-1 car wax is also safe and effective on clear coat, single stage, and all glossy paints. Whether working by hand, orbital, or dual action polisher, like Megia's 300DA polisher, this liquid wax does a great job cleaning, polishing, and protecting paint. Megia's Cleaner Wax is also available in a paste version for those who prefer paste waxes.